Cuz I'm glad that you're staying here with me. But if you're gonna stay here, you need to find a way to help pay rent. Don't worry yourself, goody. You know, say me got you. If you say so, I'm about to go to work. By the way, the landlord's coming by to fix something in the bedroom. Make sure you let him in. Alright. Little more me good up cousin. Go on, go make your money. Wait there. Rent, landlord, bedroom.
Landlord.
Walking trophy. Tell a girl say, girl you know say you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl you not try hard. Them girl they not pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram and you're pretty in a real life.
Evelyn, I'm sorry if I sounded mean earlier, but it's just that. Oh my god! Awa, is it letting me in? So me letting me in. And goody, you don't have to worry about rent no more. But our people, man. Exactly.